Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to fix Yahoo Mail when emails don't appear in an inbox. So for example, you're using your mail application right there, right? And you're not seeing Yahoo Mail. And as you can see right here on my end, I don't see anything because I'm not using this application. So for example, you're using it and you're not using your Yahoo account or Yahoo Mail. What you can do for this one is, of course, first things first, go to settings right there, and I want you to check on your software update. So if you're using an Android device or your iOS, this process is technically the same. So first check your software update, making sure everything is good, everything is smooth, and everything is updated. Now once that's done, I want you to go back on your settings right there. Go back on the main page of settings and look for the one that says applications. So once you're in applications, look for the one that says mail. So since we're looking up on mail, click mail right there and click on the accounts associated on this email. Now, as you can see, there is no Yahoo account on my end. For example, you're not seeing it also on your end. I'm just using my dummy Google account there. So you can just simply add an account. Click in here, look for Yahoo. And moving forward, just set it up as a Yahoo or your normal process of setting up an account. Now, once that's finished, for example, you have already done that and you're still not seeing Yahoo on your mail account or your mail application. So what you can do moving forward for this one is look for an alternative. What I mean by that one is go to your App Store or your Play Store rather, and then simply type in here Yahoo Mail. As you can see right there, this is the best application optimized and focusing on Yahoo Mail and organized emails. Also, this is not the only one. You can also check on this email applications right there, moving forward on which one's the best for you. But since you're looking for Yahoo, I think this should be fit to your perfect liking. And that's it. Just install and get ready to use it. So thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.